We've created an easy way for you to get an assessment of your chimney's health. It really is virtually amazing because you never need to come in direct contact with the chimney technician. We don't even have to ring your doorbell. Our crew will inspect everything right from your roof. A video scan of the inside of your chimney can be done to see your flue liner's condition. You can see what we're seeing using your home computer just by clicking on the link we send you. We're available for both essential and emergency service and repairs. Our technicians will observe all social distancing guidelines. If we discover problems with the chimney crown, chimney cap, flashing, bricks, mortar, or other areas, we'll document everything and prepare an easy assessment which will be emailed to you. Be sure that your chimney system is in good shape to keep you and your family safer and warmer through this crisis. Our representative will call you to discuss everything, answer any questions, and hopefully schedule the project to be done. We are ready to make things easy for you.